Okay, here we are standing in front of 3624 Juniper Court. Just take a quick look around the court. All single family homes. That's Hickory Lane right there at by the end of the court. Let's step inside the front door. As we step inside the front door, I have a foyer, and in the foyer we have a double closet over here to the right, living room straight ahead, and you can see the fireplace is a wood burning fireplace. Off here to our right is the stairs to the lower level and to the second floor to the master bedroom upstairs. A door out to the pool area. Another door to the pool area. Just a little better look at the living room area. Again, the house has a lot of leaded glass window in it. Got a lot of storage space and a whole house media center. And as we walk across here, off this hallway is the half bath here on the main floor, the kitchen area. Have space here for a table, sliding door out to the patio area, and this last in area here where you can look out across the backyard and out down towards Sargent Road. Again, kitchen area, lots of custom cabinets here. And behind here is what was used as a office space. There's a sliding glass door and that panel slides shut, so you can shut this off for a little privacy if you want. And this door leads out to the garage. Very large two-car garage. A lot of storage space. Again, out here, also a sink. Let's head over towards the pool room. As we step into the pool room, there's a covered pool with a power cover that can be taken on and off. There are 8 sliding doors out to the patio outside. Have a hot tub over here in this area. And there's just a little nook over here where they used to have some tables and chairs as a place to sit and watch the kids play or grandkids. Let's take a look up at the master bedroom. As we come to the top of the steps, have a little foyer area. Go straight back, here is the master bedroom itself. We have a little sitting area here. And around here is where the bed is. We have some built-in storage over here against this wall. And back around to the sitting area. While we're here, we'll just take a quick look out the window. Backyard, Sargent Road. Look across the valley over here. If you'd like to get more looks at the backyard, catch my drone video. And as we walk back through here, we have a walk-in closet with a laundry chute. It goes all the way down to the laundry room. We have a dressing area with a double closet and some drawers over here. double sinks. And as we walk through here, there are 2 toilets and 2 showers. Let's head down to the lower level. At the bottom of the steps to our right here is a hallway which leads to the laundry room. The little refrigerator down here. And then first of 2 bathrooms down here in the basement. This one has a shower and a sauna, double sinks, and through this is the mechanical room with the heat pump. This is a groundwater heat source heat pump system, and 3 hot water heaters, and some additional storage. Second bedroom's right there. We'll look in there a second. This is the second bathroom down here. This is the only bathroom that has a tub and shower unit in it. These 2 bathrooms were kind of designed to be used for the pool area. Again, this is the second bedroom. Has a big double closet, and again a built-in dresser and some storage space. Again, some more storage space. And this is what they referred to as the dormitory or the family room or the meeting room. It has several different names, but this can all be opened up. There are 2 closets right over here that currently have some tables and chairs that can be set up in here and can seat several people. They frequently have family meals down here, or you can pull this collapsible wall over and divide this into 2 rooms, and you can see here that there's a Murphy bed and some shelving and stuff here, and then there's a second Murphy bed over on this side. Again, once it's separated, both of these 2 bedrooms then have their own closet, and they both have their own sliding door out to the backyard. So, kind of the last thing down here in the basement is this is the mechanical room for the pool. This is where the pool filter and the water heater for the pool are located at. Oh, I guess I forgot to mention this little closet right here next to the steps is just some storage underneath the steps area. Now back up here on the main floor again in the living room. Want to thank you for stopping by my little virtual tour of this home. Again, as I mentioned before, I do have some drone footage that gives a kind of an aerial view of the house and backyard, and it was taken a little earlier this summer when the flowers looked a lot better. And so again, if you have any questions, my name and phone number and information will be coming up here in a minute, and be happy to set up your own personal tour of the home. Thanks for visiting.